Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So it's been a while since I've covered SPA or the Sperax token. So now they are called Sperax OS. Basically, they have now Sperax operating system and they have uh, AI agents coming soon. I feel like that Sperax has lost its identity and they are having identity crisis as of now. And if you look at their Twitter, they did actually ended up getting launched on Binance Alpha. That was a big one, I would say, and that did happen on July 13th, as you can see here. And if we look at the price response for that, as you can see here, the token actually ended up hitting new low around 1 cent, and after that ended up recovering and it actually ended up hitting like 1.4 cent, I would say. Again, as of now, it's just trading in between. Now if you just look at the different things, they also ended up deploying their token on Binance Smart Chain as well. And if we just look at the status as of now, it shows Ethereum, but it seems like that it is now available on Binance Smart Chain as well. And they have been just doing these I would say different posts about the things coming soon, as you can see here, about different AI tokens and other things. This was supposed to be a DeFi platform when it came out. Now it's an AI platform, so it is a clear, I would say, indication that they have lost their identity. And I think it will be a while when they do find it out, but it is unclear when they will. And they just rebranded to Sperax OX. I am not sure what will that mean for their token, but we'll have to wait and see. And as of now, at this point, it seems like that this is just another meme coin that lost against, and they are doing nothing but different things. And if we just look at their weekly updates that they basically gave out back in June, and now they have even stopped doing that as well, so it is a clear indication that they have lost it. And if you look at their posts, they are just posting these AI videos or AI images from I think most likely from Google's Veo, and nothing more than that, and they are posting these different things. And even if you look at their documentations, the same thing applies there. They are working on the end of middleman and other things. Basically, I would say this is a pure meme coin as of now, and I don't think that the coin will have any value beside for the trading. So if you are planning to trade this coin, I think you do need to consider it as a meme token. I don't think that this AI thing will change anything, because if you see at the AI markets as of now, there are a lot of AI tokens, and of course it can bring a hype to a SPA token for some time. Let's just say for like 1 to 3 weeks or even 1 to 3 days, but after that, that hype will most likely go down. And even if you look here, it actually ended up hitting from 94 to as high as like 2.8 cent. After that, it is in the downtrend. Now they are expecting this AI thing could actually pump the token, and there's a possibility that it could, but I would not basically be looking at this coin in the long term, because as of now they don't have a clear direction where the token is headed. And before that, they were just all about the DeFi and other things, and now they are all about AI and other things, and they are just posting these useless posts about AI. So I don't think that they have any identity as of now, and I don't think that they have any idea where the token is headed. So as of now, I'm not that bullish on this coin. Of course, it can perform in the short term, and that can happen. So we'll just look at the price, and if that does happen, where it can go. So the Binance did actually end up listing on the Binance Alpha. It is very unlikely that it will find its way towards Binance Spot, and if it does that, of course the token will most likely end up pumping as well. The price could surge as high as 2.2 or even higher than that, but I don't think that that is going to happen. But again, we can just have there is again always a possibility that Binance could actually list the token. But as of now, it doesn't seem like that is the case. Now, if you look here, the token has been trading below 200 EMA, and if you look at the history, whenever it does go above 200 EMA, there is usually a massive price surge. So as of now, the 200 EMA broke recently would be around when the price was around 1.5 cent. After that, it actually ended up going as high as 2.8, so basically 2x. So as of now, if it does breaks above 200 EMA, let's just say that it goes above, again 200 EMA is around 1.5 cent, as you can see here on daily chart. So if it does breaks that, there is a possibility that the token could actually go as high as 2.8 or even higher than that. But again, as of now, going above this level, which is going to be around 4 cent to, I would say, 4 cent to 3.4 cent is not possible as of now, because even if this AI shenanigans could actually pump the token, but I don't think that this coin has a clear direction where it is headed in the long term. But somehow they just say that their operating system does find a success. If that does happen, there is a possibility that the coin could actually end up hitting 4 cent, but I don't think so that is going to happen, because there is just the AI market is just oversaturated if you look at the AI agents in the crypto market as of now. Now again, as I said, if it does breaks out from 200 EMA, the coin could actually go as high as 28 cent, but we'll have to wait and see. But if it does rejects at 200 EMA, the coin can also go down, so like around 9.6 or even lower than that if that happens. So let's have a look at 4-hour charts, and if we just look at the 4-hour chart, it is trying to break out above 200 EMA. So it actually tried back on 11 July, as you can see here. It did not do that, and again, as of now, it is trying to break it, but it is just struggling to close above 200 EMA on the 4-hour chart. So if it does close above 400 EMA on the 4-hour chart, there is a chance that the coin could actually go as high as 1.7 cent, and if it does breaks out above 400 EMA on the daily chart, there is a chance that the coin could actually go as high as 2.8. But for the long term, if you're planning to hold this coin for a long term, I think it is still, they do need a clear direction if they want, if the coin wants to go. But again, they have been holding this trend line quite well, so that could be another thing to basically look at. So if you are planning to buy this coin for a long term, you can basically get it as long as it is in this this is uptrend. So overall, the token has been in uptrend ever since 2023. So there's a chance that it could again retest again on this level around 1 cent is a possibility, and if it does go on 1 cent, it could be a pretty good entry, and you can sell it as soon as it goes up. That is another thing. But again, I do think that Sperax has lost its identity. So once they do find it, of course the coin can go up, but at the moment, I think it's just a meme coin. Anyways, this was it. I hope you liked the video. I will be back with more. Thanks for watching.